Hello my dear students. In the previous video we have discussed chapter 2 number system and today we are going to discuss its exercises. Okay, so let's start the exercises. Come on page number 19, checkpoints. See the first question, what is the base of a number system? The answer is given on the page number 13. Come on page number 13. On page number 13, in this purple box, you can see the definition of base is given. Count of unique symbols used to represent numbers is called base or radix of the number system. Okay. Now, next question. Match the number system with their correct base. Decimal has base 10. So, the option is C. Second, binary number system uses 2 digits, so the base is 2. Option is D. Octal number system, it uses 8 symbols, so the base is 8. Option is B. Now, hexadecimal number system. Hexadecimal number system uses 16 digits, so the base is 16. Option is A. Okay. Now, question number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. You will try yourself on your rough copy. Now, question number 13. Are the following values wrong? Why? See the first question. 0, 1, 2, 8 base to 8. First, 13. Question number 13. Part A. 0, 1, 2, 8. Base 8. Is it correct? No. Why? Here the digit 8 is given. An octal number system uses 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 8 does not exist in these octal number digits, right? So this is wrong. Why? This 8 is not the symbol of octal number system. Okay. Now, second B, it's correct. 0, 1, 0 base 10. You can say 101. So it is correct. Now, 0, 1 B is correct. And C, where 0, 1, 0 base 2. This is also correct. Why? Because binary number system uses 2 digits, zeros and ones. It has, and this also. See the question was what? 0, 1, 0 base 10. So decimal also uses 10 digits 0 to 9 and these are 0, 1 only. So it belongs to the decimal number system only. So this is correct. C is also correct. Come to the part D, that is 10 F G base 16. Is it correct? No. Why? This is wrong. Why? Because this G does not belong to a hexadecimal number system. Why? Hexadecimal number system uses only 16 digits 0 to 15 and where 0 to 9 are in decimals, then after we use A to F. Okay. Total 16 digits are here 0 to 9, then A to F. For 10 A, 11 B, 12 C, 13 D, 14 E and 15 F. So this G does not exist in this hexadecimal digits, right? So this is wrong. Now come to the exercises, assignments. Question number 1. What is a number system? What is a number system? So a number system is a way to represent numbers using some unique symbols, right? Question number 2. Name some common numbers. So what are the common numbers? Some common number systems are, they are decimal number, binary number, octal number, hexadecimal number. These 4 are given in this portion and only with these 4 we use as a number system in computers. Okay. Now question number 3, what is base? name bases of common number system. So what is base? Just now we have learned on page number 13 the answer is given to you. So you can write from there. And name bases of common number system. Some common number systems are what? Decimal number system. Second, binary number system. And their basis, see, name basis of common numbers. In decimal we use 10 digits, in binary we use 2 digits. So bases are 10, 2, third is octal number system where we use 8 digits. So base is 8. Fourth is hexadecimal number system. Hexadecimal number system where we use 16 digits. So the base is 16. So base of decimal is 10, base of binary is 2, base of octal is 8, base of hexadecimal is 16. Question number 4. Convert 17 base 10 and 14 base 10 into equivalent binary values. So first we'll convert this 17 base 10. How to convert? I taught you. First we write the number, that is 17. Then we divide the number by 2. Why? Because we have to convert into binary number and binary numbers have base 2. So we divide the number by 2. Divide this 17 by 2. Then read the table of 2. So 2 6 ja 12, 2 7 ja 14, 2 8 ja 16. Then 2 8 ja 16. 8 we write quotient without down and remainder on the right hand side. Okay. Now we divide this 8 again by 2. 2 4s are 8 and remainder is 0. That we write on the right hand side. Again we divide this 4 by 2. 2 2s are 4 and remainder is 0. Again 2 1s are 2, remainder 0 and 2 zeros are 0, then remainder 1. We draw a line from bottom to top. Here we write MSB, most significant bit, and LSB, least significant bit. Then we write, hence, you can write here also, hence 17 base 10 is equal to, we start writing from the MSB, 1, 0, then 0, 0, 1 and base 2. This is our required answer. Okay. Next, 14. Write the number 14 and then again what to do? We have to divide the number by 2. We draw the line. We divide this 14 by 2. Here 2 7 ja 14 and remainder is 0. Then 2 3s are 6, remainder is 1. 2 1 ja 2, remainder is 1. Then 2 0 0, remainder is 1. And we draw a line from bottom to top. Here we write MSB means most significant bit, LSB least significant bit. Hence 14 base 10 is equal to, we start writing from MSB, 1 1 1 0 and base 2. This is our required answer. Now question number 5. Convert 29 base 10 and 11 base 10 into equivalent binary values. So first we'll convert this 29 base 10. Write 29 and then we'll divide this number by 2. Read the table of 2. 2 14 ja 28. 14 2 ja 28. Then remainder is 1. 2 7s are 14. Remainder 0. Again divide this 7 by 2. 2 3s are 6. Remainder 1. 2 1 ja 2. Remainder 1. 2 zeros are 0. Remainder 1. Right. Draw a line from bottom to top. Write MSB. and here LSB, least significant bit, and then write the hence 29 base 10 is equal to here 1 1 1 0 1. So write 1 1 3 times 1 0 1 base 2. 1 1 1 0 1 base 2. This is our required answer. Correct? Next part is 11. Here write 11, and then we divide this 11 by 2. 2 5s are 10. Remainder 1. 2 2s are 4. Remainder 1. 2 1s are 2. Remainder 0. 2 0 are 0. Remainder 1. Draw the line. Write MSB and LSB. Hence 11 base 10 is equal to 1 0 1 1 base 2. This is our required answer. Okay. Now question number 6. Convert 11011 base 2 and 1111 base 2 into decimal values. So how to do? We have discussed all these things. So let's start. First we write these digits. We'll do the first part at first. First we write this one 1 1 0 1 1. Okay. Then what we do? We write the bases of these digits, right? So the base of first digit is 2 raised to power 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. And value of this is any number raised to the power 0 means 1 1, right? 2 raised to the power 0 means 1. Here any number raised to the power 1 means number itself. So it is 2. 2 square is 2 into 2. 2 into 2 4. Here it means 2 into 2. 2 cube. 2 cube means what? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. That is equal to 2 into 2, 4 into 2, 8. It is 8. And this is again 2 raised to the power 4 means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 means 2 into 2, 4 into 2, 8 into 2, 16. It is 16. Then what we do? We write required number, hence required number is equal to what? Digit into its place value. 1 into its place value is 16 plus next digit 1 into its place value 8 plus 0 0 into its place value 4 plus 1 into 2 plus 1 into its place value 1. Now we multiply these. 1 into 16 16, 1 into 8 8 plus this is 0 into 4 0 plus 1 into 2 2 plus 1 into 1 1, right? So this is equal to 16 into 16 plus 8 24 plus 2 26 plus 1 27 27 base 10. This is our required answer. Okay. Now next part, this 1 1 we'll write it on a proper distance, 1 1 and then 1. Then we write the place values of these digits. So 2 raised to the power 0 first place value, 2 raised to the power 1, 2 raised to the power 2, 2 raised to the power 3, right? This is equal to 1. Any number raised to the power 0 means 1. So 2 raised to the power 0 means 1. This is equal to 2, 4 and 8. Okay. Now required number is equal to 1 digit into its place value is what? 8 plus 1 into its place value. 1 into its place value is 4 plus 1 into 2 plus 1 into 1. Okay, it is equal to 1 into 8, 8 plus this is equal to 4 plus 1 into 2, 2 plus this is equal to 1. So add all these. 8 plus 4, 12, 12 plus 2, 14 plus 1, 15. So the answer is 15 base 10. This is our answer. Now question number 7. Convert 101010 base 2 and 1101110 base 2 into decimal values. So let's start this one. First we'll solve this part. What to do again? We have to write the digits on a proper distance. 1 0 1 0 and 1 0. Okay, then we write the place values. 2 raised to power 0, 1 2 3 4 and 2 raised to power 5. This is equal to 1 2 4 8 16 and this is 32. You know how to do. Now required number is equal to digit into its place value. 1 into 32 plus 0 into 16 plus next digit 1 into its place value, that is 8 plus 0 into 4, 0 into 4 plus next 1 into 2 plus 0 into 1. Okay, multiply these. 32, 1 into 32, 32 plus this is equal to 0 plus 1 into 8, 8 plus 0 into 4, 0 plus 1 into 2, 2 plus 0 into 1, 0. Okay, now add all these. 32 plus 8, 32 plus 8, 40 plus 2, 42. Okay, so the answer is 42 base 10. This is our answer. Next, this one, let us solve this. Again we will write the digits. 1 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 0, right? Then we write the place values. Again 2 raised to power 0, 1 2 3 4 and 2 raised to power 5. The value of this is 1 2 4 8 16 and 32. Okay, now required number is equal to 1 into its place value. 1 into 32 plus next number 1 into 16 plus 0 into its place value 8 plus 1 into its place value 4 plus next digit 1 into its place value 2 plus 0 into 1. Okay, now multiply these. 1 into 32, 32 plus 16 plus this is 0 plus 1 into 4, 4 plus 1 into 2 plus 0 into 1, 0. Now add all these. 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 6, 12, right? 12 plus 2, 14. 4, carry 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 3, 5, right? 54 base 10. This is our required answer, correct? Now question number 8. Identify the name of number system from the following values. See the first part, A6 base 16, this is hexadecimal number. Why? Because it has base 16. Part B, A13B base 16, this is hexadecimal. Why? The base is 16. C, 370 base 8, this is an octal number system. And D, 272, this is octal number base because it has base 8. E, 1055 base 10, so it displays a decimal number because the base is 10. F, 20000 base 10. By seeing the base only you can say which type of number system is it. So this is decimal number system. G, 1000 base 10, this is also decimal number. H, 10000 base 2. When the same number, you can see digits are same but the base has been changed over here, that is 2. So this is a binary number. By seeing the base we can decide which type of number system is being used. Now I, 100 base 8, this is an octal number because octal also uses 0 to 7 digits from 0 to 7, and it has 1 and 0, so it is correct, it is an octal number. J, 1000 base 16, this is a hexadecimal number system, right? Now we will discuss question number 9. Now question number 9, showing you work, convert these binary number to decimals. Part A, 5 times 1 base 2, let's do it. First we write the digits. Part A, 1 1 1 1 1. Then we write the bases of these digits. 2 raised by 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Same process we follow again. This is equal to 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. Hence required number is equal to 1 into 16 plus 1 into 8 plus 1 into 4 plus 1 into 2 plus 1 into 1, right? Multiply all these. 16 plus 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1, correct? Now add all these. 16 plus 8, 24, 24 plus 4, 28 plus 2, 30 plus 1, 31 is equal to 31 base 10. This is our required answer, okay? Now part B, 101,000 base 2. Again we'll write these. Part B, 1 0 1 0 0 and 0. Then we write the bases of these digits from right hand side. 2 raised by 0, 1, 2, 3, 2 raised by 4 and finally 5. 2 raised by 0 means 1. This is equal to 2, 4, 8, 16 and 32. Right? Now we multiply all these. Required number is 1 into 32 plus 0 into its place value, that is 16, plus 1 into 8 plus next digit 0 into its place value 4 plus next digit 0 into its place value 2 plus next digit 0 into its place value 1. Then we will multiply all these. See, 1 into 32, 32 plus 0 into 16, 0 plus 1 into 8, 8, 0 into 4, 0 plus 0 into 2, 0 plus 0 into 1, 0. Then we add all these, 32 plus 0 plus 8, 40 plus all these 0, 40. 40 base 10. This is our required answer. Okay. Now question number 10. Convert the number 1010 base 2 into decimal and then verify. Means here that is reconvert the resultant decimal number into binary and check if the result matches with 1010 base 2. Means first we have to convert number 1010 base 2 into its equivalent decimal number, and the resultant has to be converted again into binary. The result comes in decimal, again we have to convert the decimal number answer into binary number. If both the answers are correct, then it is verified. See, first we convert 1010. Okay. First we write the bases, 2 raised to power 0, 1, 2 and 3. Means it means 1, 2, 4 and 8. Correct? Hence required number is what? 1 into 8, its place value, then 0 next digit into its place value, that is 4, plus next digit into its place value, that is 2, plus 0 into its place value 1. So this is equal to 1 into 8, 8, plus 0 into 4, 0, plus 1 into 2, plus 0 into 1, 0. Okay. 8 plus 0, 0, plus 2, 10, plus 0, 10. So the equivalent decimal number is 10 base 10. Further we have to divide this decimal number into binary number. Okay. Let's see what happens. 10, we have to convert 10 base 10 into binary equivalent, right? So what to do? What we do generally? We write the number and we divide the number by 2. Why? Because we have to convert into binary. 2 5s are 10, remainder 0, 2 2s are 4, remainder 1, 2 1s are 2, remainder 0, 2 0s are 0, remainder 1. Correct? We write here, draw a line, we write MSB and LSB, right? Hence the number is, hence 10 base 10 is equal to what? What do we see? 1, 0, then again 1 and then 0. So what we see? Base 2. The initial question was 101 base 2, that has been converted into decimal and we got 10 base 10. Further we converted this decimal number 10 into its equivalent binary, and what we got? Same number that was given in the beginning, 1010 1010. Hence it is verified. Okay. Dear students, do all these assignment questions in your fair copy in your notebook, and if you have any doubt, then PDF is given to you along with the video, so you can see the video and PDF also. If any doubt is there, stay at home and be safe. Thank you, dear students.